Today's featured car of the day is a 1970 Oldsmobile 442 W-30 Holiday Coupe. And this one I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it sold for $66,000. And I'll read you the seller's comments. And he said, start with a rust-free documented W-30 and do a detailed frame off over 2 years, and here are the results. Original F-heads, original carburetor, rebuilt, replated, correct distributor with Petronics and exhaust manifolds on a correct 455, new exhaust, suspension, and brakes, car that runs fine on pump gas, OW code turbo 400 trans shifted by a Hurst dual gate, which was optional, cooling fan added to radiator for in-traffic additional cooling, original rear diff rebuilt with 342 gears, all major mechanical items rebuilt or new old stock, such as a wiper motor, modern Bluetooth radio with phone that looks like original, all interior done, chrome and weather stripping, tick-tock clock and tachometer, great car in every way. And it had 85,004 miles on it. A few things they left out of the description there. Never once said that it was matching numbers or if it was a date-coded block. So that's probably what got you to the $66,000 selling price. It's still a very rare car and a real nice car. Someone did a real great job on the restoration. And it definitely caught your eye in the bright red with the parchment or pearl white interior. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.